Let us now try to convert mixed fractions to improper fractions. How can we do that? Well, we have 1 whole and 2 over 3. So what we do in this case is we multiply 1 by 3 and then add 2. That is the way we do. So let me write down here how we do it. We'll do a couple of times, then I hope it will be clear to you. If not, we'll have some other method to do it. So 1 times 3 I will write here. 1 times 3 plus 2. That goes in the numerator. And remember, in fractions, denominator remains same. So 3 here. Now what is 1 times 3? 1 times 3 is 3 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So we get 5 over 3 as our answer. Now let's move on to the next one, which is 3 and a half. 3 and a half. So what are we going to do here? 3 times 2 plus 1. So we'll do 3 times 2 plus 1 in the numerator. Denominator always remains as it is. And 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we get 7 over 2. Let's move on to the third one. 5 3 by 4. So 4 is in the denominator. Multiply this whole number with denominator. 5 times 4 and then add 3 to it. So we have 5 times 4 plus 3. Correct. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. And we get 23 over 4 as a mixed fraction. So that's a fast way of doing it. I know it's not that fast. I was rather fast this time. Well, you can watch the video once again to understand how we did it. Now, if you're finding it very difficult, then there is alternate way of doing it. And that could be like this. 1 whole, sketch it. Just sketch 1 whole and then say 2 over 3. So sketch 2 second circle for 2 over 3. Divide it into 3 equal parts. I hope you remember how to divide in 3 equal parts. For a circle, it is like this. Do you see that? It is like this. So these are my 2 circles. When I say 1 whole, that means the first one has to be shaded. In the second one, 2 out of 3. So we got 3 portions. Just shade 2 out of those, right? So that's it. Now you count. How many 1/3 do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5/3. 5 1/3. You get your answer. I hope you get it. Let's do it once again. 3 holes. So we'll make 3 holes. We'll make rectangles this time. 1, 2, and 3. So 3 holes and a half. That means the 4th rectangle is also there. Since it is half, we are going to divide them, each one of them, in halves, right? So we have halves of all of them. We want to shade them as desired. 3 holes, right? So all first 3 will be shaded. 1, 2, and 3. And then half, that means 1 out of 2. How many did I shade? This is what you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's what you get. 7 and a half. Okay, I shouldn't say 7 and a half, but it's 7 over 2. Okay, it is 3 and a half. Correct. This time 5. Okay, so let me draw 5. So which shape do you want? Let us make any shape. Let's make a square this time, right? Square is kind of difficult. Okay, anyway, let's say this is my square. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let us say 5th one. This is 5 holes. I need to go 1 more, right? Okay, that is there. Now since we have fourths, we have to divide every square into 4 equal parts. Do you see that part? 4 equal parts. So imagine these are my 4 equal parts. Okay, 5 whole means shade the first 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3/4. That means 1, 2, and 3. So how many did I shade in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then 1, 2, 3, 23. So 23 fourths. Do you see that? You can do like that also. Well, I'll recommend this method if these numbers are smaller. If I write bigger numbers, this is going to take a lot of time. In that case, you need to multiply and add. So let me remind you how to do it. 1 2 over 3, multiply the whole number by the denominator and then add numerator. Well, just do like this. 1 times 3 plus 2. Here 3 times 2 plus 1. 5 times 4 plus 3. That goes in the numerator. Denominator remains as such. And then you get your answer. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So you get 5 over 3. Do you get it? Now, for you to practice, let me give you some questions. So these are your questions. So let's have 2 and 1 over 3. And then we have 3, 1 over 4, and 4, 1 over 5. Convert them into improper fractions, correct? Illustrate them with the help of diagram as I did. Do them all. You'll really enjoy it. Have fun. Thank you.